Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to easily correct the car if you've tried to park it and it's gone a little bit wide. So if I just go out into a parked position or a semi-parked position, so let's say I've just brought the car in and I'm wide, so let's just have a quick look at that. Let's get into the position. Okay, so let's just say I've done my park, or tried to, and I've ended up wide. So you can see here that I'm quite wide in that mirror. You can see that I'm sort of half in, half out where this car is here, so that's no good to us. We need to make sure we're about a drain's width in. So nice and easy. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the wheel so that the top of our badge here faces out of that window to begin with. So let's do that. So we're going to move nice and slow. Don't forget to do your 6-point check before you move off. So half a turn, or quarter of a turn actually, technically. You can see the badge is facing out of the left window, which is great. And bring it in nice and slow. So when the gap closes completely between the car and the curb, we're going to do the same but the opposite direction. So now the top of the badge is facing out of my window. And in a second you'll see that it's going to come in nice and straight. Okay, and then we're in, so you can see we're directly in line with that car in front. If this happens and you're outside of free car lengths, we could always just move forwards and bring it within the free car lengths again. So I'll just show you how to do that, which is quite simple. Get into your gear, do your observation, and then just move forwards and just bring it in again within the free car lengths. But generally, if you catch it early enough at the correct point, then you should be able to bring it in within free car lengths quite easily. I mean, I just sort of made it up just to save a little bit of time, but you get the idea. So quarter turn out of the window, so top of the badge out of the left window to begin with. Let the gap close between the car and the curb in the left mirror, and then steer so that the top of the badge is out of the right window. And then finally, when it looks parallel with the car in front and parallel with the curb on the left, then just finally straighten it up, and then you're done. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Okay, so I hope that was useful, and I'll see you again soon. Don't let it get me down.